Alright, this is Dan with Pro Drain and Router Service, recording video at 6230 SW Hall Blvd, Beaverton, Oregon. Access the main line from a roof vent. Line needed to be jetted out. So we ran the jet multiple times, cleared out a bunch of scale, a little bit of roots, a couple breaks in the transite pipe. So I went ahead and marked those out. One spot at 46 is right underneath the bushes out front. The arborvitaes, almost right against the sidewalk there, towards the house, towards the building, sorry. And then the other one's at 63 feet. Line's going at an angle, and so it's in the street just as you're coming into the driveway, but it's in the street. So we'll go and pull back and inspect back to the roof vent. I'm not sure if City of Beaverton, which I think is Clean Water Services, is going to be responsible for this hole right here, this break in the pipe. But definitely a break in the pipe right there. That's a 63. Like I said, marked in the right lane of northbound traffic on Hall. So that's definitely in the road. Now this next spot is back at 4060, or right there too. You can see that left side. So that's just a few feet back, 2 feet back. So once again, replaced back to there at least. This next spot at 46 feet, or I don't know. Oh, there's another small break right there. And it looks like this whole line is going to need to be replaced. Right here, some roots. Like I said, this spot is right up against the building, underneath the arborvitaes. So definitely replacing this section too. So might be a good idea to replace it all the way out. So just back a few feet from that spot is 3034. So right at 42 feet. So 4 feet back. Transitions to 3034. Cast iron now. This is all under the building from here back. Cast iron is actually in excellent condition. When we cameraed it before, it was full of scale. I was able to cut it out. One spot looked like it had roots growing through it, but it ended up being dental floss, and there's still a little bit hanging there. You'll see here in just a minute. Right there, it's like string or twine or something coming from the one of the units. So probably running a cable and pulling a toilet and running a cable from one of the lower front units in order to get this out would be the way to do it. The jet just couldn't remove it. But it is not roots. It's just like twine or string or dental floss or something. The rest of it has a little bit of scale buildup, you know, from jetting. We removed some scale, and it just kind of sits on the bottom here, as you can see. This will flush out over time and flow out over time once people start flushing toilets and showering and all that. All that debris will just flush out. It looks like someone just flushed a bunch of hair and toilet paper. Yeah, someone just flushed a bunch of paper. Yeah, this cast iron's in good shape. Just someone's running water, so it's hard to see exactly, but there we go. Like I said, other than that transite section outside, the rest of the line's in excellent shape. But definitely recommend getting that repaired. Checking with Clean Water Services to see if they are responsible for the part out in the street.